Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 C-Class. Standing the test of time means never standing still. The C-Class is a stylish performer that embodies sophistication and intelligence. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, tires, front performance, tires, rear performance. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.